Swagbucks installation problems usually come from phone storage limits, outdated software, app store issues, or problems with your internet connection. By the end, you'll know how to check your device settings, fix common Swagbucks installation errors, and what to do if the app still refuses to install. Section 1 is checking your phone before downloading. Start by checking how much storage space your device has available. When your phone does not have enough free space, app downloads can fail or stop before installation finishes. Remove unused apps, old videos, or unnecessary files if your storage is full. Then try downloading Swagbucks again. Next, check whether your phone software is updated. An older operating system can sometimes prevent newer apps from installing correctly. Open your device settings and look for available software updates. Install any updates and restart your phone before attempting the download again. Also confirm that you are installing Swagbucks through the official App Store. Android users should use the Google Play Store, and iPhone users should use the Apple App Store. Section 2 is fixing download and connection problems. A poor internet connection can interrupt the app installation process. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to Wi-Fi, to test whether your connection is causing the problem. If the download appears frozen, cancel the installation and start again. Closing and reopening the App Store can also refresh the download process. Restarting your phone can clear temporary software problems that may be blocking the installation. If you use Android, check that the Google Play Store is working correctly. If you use an iPhone, check that the App Store is signed in and loading normally. Section 3 is checking device compatibility and app availability. Apps may fail to install if your phone does not meet the required device or software settings. Search for Swagbucks directly in your App Store and check whether it appears for your device. If you receive an error message, write down the exact message before contacting support. The error can help identify whether the problem is related to your phone, the App Store, or your account. If Swagbucks still will not install after these steps, contact Swagbucks support with your phone model, operating system version, and the installation error details. The key points are simple. Check storage, update your phone, and troubleshoot your App Store connection. Your next step is to restart your device, confirm you have enough storage, and retrieve the Swagbucks installation from the official App Store. If this guide helped you fix a Swagbucks installation problem, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.